Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. I'm a computer science engineer and aspiring data scientist. I make videos about data science, machine learning, deep learning and Python, etc. So kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the further notifications. So let's get into the video. Welcome to the course guys. It is part 1.2 in this Python series. If you didn't watch my previous video, I'll leave a link in the description below. So kindly go and check it out. In this video, we'll see that how to download and install Python 3.11.4 version on Windows 11. And along with that, we will install Python pip. It is for installing and managing Python packages. And then we'll install IDE. It provides IDE to run Python programs easily. And we'll run our first Python program in the end of this video. Go to the browser. Click on the Google and type here Python and click on this website. It is the official website for Python. Go to the downloads and click on this Python. Your download is started. The download has completed. Now go to the downloads. Here you can see the Python file. Double click on it. Why it is coming means because I have already installed it. I'll click on the modify. A window open like this in your laptop. Now select all these 4 options up to here and click on the next and select up to these 4 options: install, associate, create shortcuts, add Python, and click on the install button. Your Python installation has completed now. Now let's check the Python version. Go to the search bar, type cmd, command prompt, click on it and type here Python --version. Now your Python is successfully installed. Now let's run a Python program. Go to the search bar, type here IDE and click on it. Let's run a sample program. Print techCodio. Yeah, it is the input and it is the output. That's all about this video. I hope you all like the video. Kindly share this video to your friends, family members, colleagues and neighbors, and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.